In the heart of a lush, green jungle, there lived a little boy named Mowgli. He was not like other children, for he was raised by the animals of the forest. Every day, Mowgli would play with Baloo, the friendly bear, and Bagheera, the wise panther. They taught him how to climb trees, swim in the river, and find the sweetest fruits. One evening, as the sun began to set, Mowgli, Baloo, and Bagheera gathered around a warm, crackling fire. Baloo told stories of the jungle, making the flames dance with the tales of brave heroes and clever animals. As the stories came to an end, Mowgli looked up at the stars twinkling above. "Mowgli," said Bagheera, "it's time for you to learn about the night." "But why, Bagheera?" asked Mowgli, feeling a little scared. Bagheera smiled. "The night is not something to be afraid of, Mowgli. It's a time for peace, for rest, and for dreams." Mowgli closed his eyes, drifting off to sleep under the watchful gaze of Baloo and Bagheera. The jungle was quiet, save for the gentle rustling of leaves and the occasional hoot of an owl. When Mowgli woke up, he felt refreshed and ready for a new day in the jungle. He knew that no matter what the jungle brought, he was never alone, for he had his friends to guide him. And so, Mowgli continued to grow and learn, living a life filled with adventure, friendship, and the beauty of the jungle. And every night, he would look up at the stars, remembering the stories told around the campfire, and dreaming of the many exciting days ahead.